We have the history option on YouTube. Like if we have recently swiped any videos on shorts, or if we have watched any videos on YouTube, we can easily see them on the history option. But this option is not available on Instagram. But what if I will say you that this option can also be available on Instagram? You may be thinking how. So in today's video, I will tell you how you can access the watched reels on your Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Sometimes we find a reel very engaging, or we want to watch it again, or we want to share it later. So in this case, you have to save a reel. You can find it on your account. All you need to do is go to your profile, tap on these 3 lines, tap on the saved option, and all your saved photos and reels will appear here. Number 2. The second work art is to find the reels you have engaged with, which means you can find those reels in your account history that you have watched or liked, or you have commented on it. For this, go to your profile again, tap on these 3 dots, tap on your profile activity, and now manually you can go on likes and comments folder. You will see the post you have liked and commented on. To ease your work, tap on all contents type on the top and select reels. Number 3. There are times when we reach out to ads, which means you have clicked on the link given in the reel. If you are looking for something like that, tap on these 3 lines on your profile, tap on your activity, scroll down a bit and tap on link history. Here you will find the links you have opened through IG, and maybe you will be able to find the relatable reels you were looking for it. Number 4. All these steps mentioned earlier are only applicable in the case of interaction with those reels. But what if you want to see through the entire recent history of the reels you have watched? Fortunately, there is also a possible step. If you haven't refreshed your reels section or the entire Instagram application for that matter, you can easily scroll up and go through your reels you have recently watched it. So by following these steps, you can easily access the history of the Instagram, and you can know what kind of reels and what kind of posts you have actually recently watched it. So if you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.